Alright, I'm Jeffrey C., and I am the destroyer of songs, and I'm about to destroy a song for you.
I'm going to do a song here. This is an awesome, fun song to sing. This is a great, great singable song. It's by the Zac Brown Band, and it is called Chicken Fried. Zac Brown Band, Chicken Fried. And this is From Mike to Morgan, and this is seriously awesome song, fun to sing. You should all know this song, seriously, because it's awesome. So here we go.
You know I like
chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night.
A pair of
jeans that fit just right. And the radio up. Seeing sunrise. See the love in my woman's eyes. Feel the touch of a precious child.
No
mother's love. Hands beneath the shades of a Georgia pine, and that's home, you know. Sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the peaches grow. A house not much to talk about, but it's filled with love, and it's grown in the southern ground. And a little bit of chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. Well, I've seen the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, mother's love. It's funny how simple things in life that mean the most. Where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes.
There's no
dollar sign on a piece of mind, this I come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me, raise a glass for a toast. Little bit of chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. I've seen the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, her mother's love. Told you, fun song, man. Awesomeness. Awesome to the awesome.
I'd
give all my life for the stars and stripes.
May
freedom flavor fly. Let it rain. Salute the ones who died,
and the
ones who gave their lives,
so we
don't have to sacrifice
all the
things we love.
Like
our chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. Oh, I've seen the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and the mother's love. Cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. Oh, I've seen the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, touch of a precious child, mother's love. Zac Brown Band, folks. Chicken Fried. Check them out.